Let me show you why Starbucks Medicine Ball Tea is a game changer. You've probably heard of Medicine Ball Tea, but what makes it so special? This soothing drink has taken the world by storm, especially during cold and flu season. It's become a go-to for many, and here's why. When we're sick, sore throats, congestion, and just feeling run down, we all crave something comforting. But instead of reaching for the usual remedies like chicken soup, why not try something specifically designed to help? Enter Medicine Ball Tea, a perfect blend of soothing ingredients and delicious flavor. No need to shop for ingredients when you're feeling miserable. Medicine Ball Tea is super easy to get. Just head to Starbucks and order one. It's made with honey, peppermint, and lemonade, a magic combo that provides sweetness, soothes your throat, and adds a refreshing citrus kick. The honey brings warmth and comfort, the peppermint reduces inflammation and congestion, and the lemonade keeps you hydrated and revitalized. Together, they create a drink that's both soothing and delicious. I personally swear by it. Last winter, when I had a bad cold, nothing worked until I tried Medicine Ball Tea. I felt a wave of relief instantly, my throat felt better, my sinuses cleared up, and I finally slept well. And it's not just me, countless friends and customers swear by it too. One friend drank it every morning during flu season and felt much better by the end of the week. So, is it worth the hype? Absolutely. Whether you're sick or just feeling run down, Medicine Ball Tea is your new best friend. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below with your favorite cold and flu remedies. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.